カフェがあります。トイレがあります。兄弟がいます。Hello world! I am Kozysensei from Kozysensei Japanese. Welcome back to Simple Japanese Grammar Lessons for Beginners. This series is designed for those who have just started learning Japanese and those who want to review basic Japanese grammar principles. In this lesson, you will learn how to use ありますand います。あります、います。あります、います。This is how you say there is and there are in Japanese. After this lesson, you will be able to say things like there is a thing, there is a person, and such. This grammar series has no fancy edits, just learning Japanese. Okay guys, are you guys ready? Let's get started. 始めましょう。First, Japanese has two ways to say there is or there are. あります、います。あります、います。あります、います。あります is used for things, and います is used for people and animal. They are very simple and straightforward, but also important. Now, let's start with あります. Again, it's used for things and objects. You will hear this in sentences like カフェがあります。カフェがあります。カフェがあります。Your turn. お店があります。お店があります。お店があります。Your turn. Grammar structure is quite simple. You will put thing plus あります。thing plus あります。something があります。Next, います。It's used for people and animals or all animated things. For example, 人がいます。人がいます。人がいます。Your turn. 猫がいます。猫がいます。猫がいます。Your turn. You can also add a place in each sentence. ここにカフェがあります。ここにカフェがあります。ここにカフェがあります。Your turn. あそこに人がいます。あそこに人がいます。あそこに人がいます。Your turn. A common mistake might be using います to people and animals. That's very ungrammatical, so just be careful, okay? Now let's see some real life examples. すみません。トイレはありますか？はい。あそこにあります。金持ちさんは兄弟がいますか？はい。4人います。Now, let's practice again. Repeat after me. コンビニがあります。コンビニがあります。コンビニがあります。Your turn. OK。先生がいます。先生がいます。先生がいます。Your turn. 犬がいます。犬がいます。犬がいます。Your turn. Great job, guys! お疲れ様でした。How are you guys doing? Doing well? This was the end of the day's lesson. ありますand います。I'm sure it was quite straightforward, but sometimes it can be confusing. Make sure to review and know how to use them in daily lives. In the next lesson, you will learn something はどこですか? Meaning, where is something? It is used to ask something or where is something in Japanese. If you liked today's lesson, please hit like button and subscribe. よろしくお願いします。はい、OK! お疲れ様でした。That's it for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. And please let me know if you have started using in your life as well in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And I'll see you in the next video. ありがとう。じゃあねー。